Hey guys, MGBL back here. Today I got a small unboxing for you. It's just some accessories I got for my MacBook, as you can see right here. Look at that, it's just like charging right now. You guys can see that. It's been good to me. Let me get my handy dandy jelly bean knife, dinky knife right here. You guys are gonna learn that as I do my channels and videos, I'm gonna have like different names, like my dinky knife, my dinky MacBook, like just stuff like that. It's all a theme you're gonna start seeing. But let's get into this unboxing. So you see this box, right? It's huge. Look what's in here. Nothing really big. I just got a cover and a mouse, and Amazon just gives me a big old box. I mean, whatever, toss that to the side because that's not the reason you guys are here right now, right? All right, so small things. So I got this blue MacBook Pro cover. I got it for like 20 bucks. It's not bad. Just a cover to protect my MacBook, something simple. It's durable, it's made out of hard plastic, so nothing too crazy. It's got like a keyboard cover. I don't even like these too much because it feels so weird on my hands. But yeah, this is something pretty cool. And then this is an RGB mouse right here. So basically what you got to do is connect it to Bluetooth. Then it plays all the lights, gets you in the mood, do some content, do some streaming, whatever you guys want to do. But I'm going to use this. And if you guys want to see like a single review on this, let me know in the comments below. I'm here to serve you guys. That's how MGBL is, just like a people's guy, just chilling. But yeah, man, it's just small stuff. I'm going to leave links to everything I got down below. If anyone still uses a 2012 MacBook Pro, I don't know, but hey, a lot of college students I know still use it, so I mean, could be useful, right? Anyways, that was a small review. Stay tuned on my car channel. I got content coming on there soon, and I'm going to be uploading weekly on here. So again, I thank you for the views, and I hope this video has been somewhat informal. I'm pretty tired right now. I had a long day at work, and I don't even want to get into, but guys, thank you for the support. I'm going to be back with you later, all right? Peace out.